Georgia Council on Economic Education workshops are unique in the world of teacher professional development in that every offering is grade-specific, tightly aligned with state standards, and, perhaps most important, fun. Teachers that attend Georgia Council workshops leave with a deeper understanding of economic and personal finance concepts, engaging lesson plans, classroom-ready teaching materials, and instructional strategies designed to make economics and personal finance relevant to students. All of this is provided at no financial cost to the teacher, school, or school system. The Georgia Council is always creating new workshops to help novice and veteran teachers enhance their abilities to teach economics and personal finance.
Thanks, GCEE.
To register for a workshop, learn more, or to help support the Georgia Council on Economic Education, please visit us at gcee.org.